Alright, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing of the Cosmic Fog Krewberry Premium Vapes collection. So, the flavor is Krewberry. Chew on this. Krewberry is a unexpected, juicy mouthful of strawberry, sweet passion fruit, and our citric blend of tropical delight. All this flavor packed into a delightful, chewy flavor candy that will leave you begging for more. Krewberry is guaranteed to fulfill your sweet tooth. So, yep. So they're saying that I guess maybe it's like a Starburst type of candy is what this is supposed to be eaten to. Or like chewy, fruity candy. At least that's how I take it. That's what they're trying to compare it to. Here's the bottle. Nice little bottle here. No stupid paper inserts that tell you the VG-PG ratio because, well, it's on the box. Not only is it on the box, if we take this and clean it up a bit. There we go. Your VG, 70 VG, 30 PG, right there on the mother effing freaking bottle. Great job with your Cosmic Fog question, Halls. You really nailed it right on the head. With just your craft question, no, you blew that one. Here a miss, you miss. On this, you hit it straight out of the ballpark. Home run. You know what I'm saying? Because as a consumer that's buying your products, we want to know how much PG, VG ratio we're getting. Is it going to be more heavy on the clouds, or is it going to be more to the flavor side? You know, which is what we want. So I love that because if I compare it to their craft question, this Voodoo, Sweet Voodoo. Another thing that you can know is Cosmic Fog bottles are always in this black bottle, while they're just Hall's vape juice is in this like clear bottle. They kind of use different pictures. I mean, this one uses clouds, this one uses whatever, depending on what the flavor is. But as you can see here, PG VG ratio is right there on the bottle. On this one, all that's in here on the label is how much juice is in the bottle and how much nicotine is in the juice. So I say Cosmic Fog definitely was their better idea question, you know. So let's go ahead, let's open it up and give it a taste and see how it tastes. Also, just want to get this out of the way before my video camera cuts off on me, which, if you know my channel, I hate this camera. But anyway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, back to the review. Now I know some people say, oh dude, you didn't put a lot in there. You didn't put enough in there. No. I did put enough in here. I don't know how good you can see it. You probably can't see it that good. But that's because, I'll admit personally, on a bubble tank, it's a little bit hard to see the exact juice line compared to just a straight, center tube. From, what we used to is like, I don't know, let's go with this one from the T-Prep series. See how this one's a little bit easier to see your juice fill line versus, bubble glass. But yes, there is enough e-liquid juice in there so that I'm not going to get any dry hits, okay? Like I said, I know that I put enough in there. I can see from the side that there's enough in there, as you can see. But looking at the top side, yeah, bubble glass. Anyway, let's turn it on. What? Why ain't this thing turn it on? Okay, there we go. So we're going to be using the Smoke V2 species. Got it set at 75 watts. Love to have it in the wattage mode. Temperature I love to set it at 75. What's best was these dual mesh smart coils that they count with, which are the baby coils. They're like baby A2 coils or something. Let me grab the box. Yeah, they're baby V2s, but these are the A2s because, they're dual coil. A1s are, one coil, baby V2, A3 would be a 3 coil, and then so on and so forth. Anyway, let's bring the camera up a bit. Let's kind of get that to focus. There we go. I think we could bring it up just a tad more. Okay, I think I had a little bit of enough time to saturate into the cotton. Let's go ahead and see what it tastes like. There we go. On this one, every time you put new berries in, it asks you, are you over 21? Yes. Is this a new coil? No. I mean, I used this coil a little bit. So, yeah. Anyway. Let me try that again. Yeah, that's pretty darn good. Let's see. Strawberry. I'm tasting strawberry. Passion fruit. Maybe passion fruit. And there's citric blend of tropical delights. I don't know about the tropical delights citric blend, but I do taste a little bit of kiwi, which you think Krewberry would be Q like as in kiwi, and then berry as in strawberry. So maybe their special island delights is a kiwi. I don't know, but I have to say it's a pretty good one so far. From this hauls that there's other brand that they make, the Cosmic Fog. There has been 3 flavors that I have really liked. That I recommend that you pick up and go try them. They're great for some time. From the Hall's craft collection would be the Sweet Voodoo. That's a nice sweet one. Cosmic Fog, the Lost Fog collection, which would be this Neon Cream, which it's not an orange cream sipple or a dream sipple, It's not that, but it is a pretty good sherbet flavor. And then this one, the Krewberry. These are like, your top 3 ones there, the complete winners. The 2 that's losers that you want to stay the F away from unless you want to die, that you're not going to get any flavors, like the FDA has already done a flavor ban on them. The Hall's craft collection, Moon Melt, and this one, Cloud Punch. Stay away from Cloud Punch and Moon Melt. No flavor on the Cloud Punch, and Moon Melt is a nasty, disgusting flavor. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and take another hit off this because this is pretty darn good. It's nice and sweet. I liked it. You know how some juices, after you exhale them on your mouth, you kind of got that little flavor on your lips, and you're like, that's a good flavor. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. But yeah, this one, great job, great job. Great job on, the VG PGs on the box and on the label of the product. None of the stupid, insert papers that it has on there. The flavor is great. I love the flavor. That's a great thing about the flavor. So yeah. Like I said, great product, great flavor. Definitely recommend picking this up, especially for the summertime. It's a great summer vaping flavor. Anyway, again, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.